Hello everyone, welcome to Heroes Railway Journey. Today, our journey will take us into the future aboard the Seibu 001, aka the LaView. Out of any train I've seen in Japan, the LaView has one of the most striking and unusual designs, with a round face and a bright reflective aluminum body, looking like a 60s sci-fi spaceship, and an interior design that feels like a warm living room. The Seibu LaView will take us into Saitama, the prefecture just north of Tokyo. Our stops will include an American suburban themed town, the biggest mall in Kanto, the Totoro Forest, and one of the 100 views of Mount Fuji. So without further ado, let's travel through time on the iconic Seibu LaView. The LaView is run by Seibu Railways, a major conglomerate based in Saitama. The unique design of the train is the work of famous modern architect Kazuya Sejima. She is known for using shiny surfaces, cubic shapes, and natural sunlight. The natural sunlight is achieved through large clear windows, providing a bright, clean atmosphere. The exterior of the LaView is an aluminum alloy with a coating that makes it naturally blend into its setting. The front of the train is rounded with a large window, providing a wide field of vision for the driver. There are 8 cars with large square windows. The windows also give a homey living room feel to the cars. The entryways are nice and wide, and almost every car has a bathroom and a sink. And in one car, there is a powder room. There are double LCD screens providing information on the stops and tourist spots. The seats are dandelion yellow that cushion around your body and separates you from your neighborhood. And each seat comes with a tray, cup holder, and an outlet for each seat. Truly one of my favorite designs out of any train. Now let's check out all the places you can access on the LaView. The LaView connects from Ikebukuro Station in Tokyo to Seibu Chichibu Station in Saitama. So today, we are starting the journey in Ikebukuro. Ikebukuro Station is chock full of a lot of stuff. There's plenty of things to do at the station as is. The LaView line will be in Platform 1. Our first stop will be Irumashi Station. From here, we will arrive at Johnsontown, a small slice of an American suburb right in the middle of Japan. An odd, but cute and quaint little neighborhood that many Americans will feel very familiar with. Right after World War II, the area was meant for US military personnel, but many of them have departed since then. The area has gotten a revitalization in the 90s as a tourist spot, and many Japanese folks have moved into these homes. Some of you may be familiar with the wooden porch, whitewashed walls, and the classic mailboxes. Those shops that range from boutique clothing, books, accessories, and furniture in case you want to bring a piece of America home with you. And on top of that, there are many American restaurants too, in case you want any brewskis or those classic big American burgers. There's also a traditional feeling ice cream parlor too. For Americans that feel a little homesick, why not check out Johnsontown for a change? A short bus ride away is the Mitsui Outlet Mall, the largest out mall in Japan, with up to 210 stores and restaurants, and a Costco right next door. With a pretty fancy food court and a large assortment of stores at a reduced price. There are many play areas, and even a mini train. I think conducting this would be my dream job. The Mitsui Outlet Mall is another part of Saitama that feels reminiscent of the malls I've visited in the States too. I also want to take the time to stop at Tokorozawa Station. Stations all across Japan are known to have these little jingles when the train arrives. This station has a very specific one that I want to show you. Do you recognize it? Let's play another one. Sound familiar? This is the first station in Japan to be using Ghibli music as a train jingle. And there's a good reason why. The surrounding area is home to Sayama Hills, which is one of the main inspirations to the locales of My Neighbor Totoro. Here you'll find the beautiful Lake Sayama, and if you're lucky, on a clear day you might see a bit of Mount Fuji. And nearby is a forest preserve that served as the main inspiration to the forest where Mei and Satsuki met Totoro. This area is funded by the Totoro Foundation that fundraises to protect this forest. Hayao Miyazaki was one of the first people to donate to the fund. There are hidden shrines and tea fields sprinkled in the forest area too. The last stop I want us to take is the Higashi Kurume Station. At this station, there's a terrace that lets you see one of the most famous views of Mount Fuji. This view is nicknamed the Diamond Fuji. The buildings leave open a view that can't be missed, but you may have to be lucky on what day you come depending on the weather. I was only able to get a small glimpse. I highly recommend coming at the end of your day in the evening as the sun is coming down. That, in my eyes, is the best time to get a glimpse of Fujisan, and a great way to end your trip. So that was the LeView Limited Express, and the many sights and locales of Saitama. Saitama is kind of the butt of a lot of jokes for folks in Japan because of its landlocked location and lack of tourist sites compared to the surrounding prefectures like Kanagawa, Chiba, and Tokyo. But real ones note that Saitama can be a fun and beautiful prefecture with a lot to do, if you know what you're looking for. This is one of my favorite trains I've ridden in Japan, and hope you get the chance to ride it too. And check out Saitama next time you happen to be in Tokyo. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and thank you all for riding with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with any of your friends or fam that might be interested too. Hope I can see you all in the next video. Ja ne!